We are in room 2082. We're on the second floor at Disney's Yacht Club Resort. Right when you come in, the usual deluxe amenities. You have the refrigerator. You have ice machine, Keurig, and all the fixins. And your cups for sodas, water, or coffee. You also have your beautiful, I call them all barn doors or pocket door or sliding door. But it's more of a barn door because a pocket door would go into another wall. Beautiful. And this is the bathroom. Let me get the light on. Smells so good too right when you walk in. And this is Disney's Yacht Club. It's a garden and / woods view room. The amenities that come with it would be lotion, shower cap, mouthwash, vanity kit, and facial soap. Of course, Kleenex, washcloths, hair dryer, also bath soaps, shampoo, conditioner, and plenty of towels. And this one does have a bathtub. A lot of the deluxe resorts and other resorts are going to showers. So I'm actually glad to see it does have a bathtub. There's of course the clothesline. Stretch it out, dry all your swimsuits and clothes. You have bath salt, shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. You have a well-lit shower, bigger than the Polynesians used to be. A full-length mirror. Another lit, I said shower, but I meant closet. They never give you enough hangers though. At any deluxe resort we've ever stayed. Always have to ask for more. Shelves down there. And you of course have your safe, your ironing board, your iron, and your shelves. Adjoining room and luggage rack. Plenty of drawer space here, extra bedding, TV, drawers, your sofa that can sleep a few folks. That's what that extra linen is for. And this room reminds me a lot of, for some reason, it reminds me a lot of the Grand Floridian. I love the space underneath the beds. I love the wood or the laminate, whatever it is. Nice little nightstand. And beautiful desk and mirror. Love the wallpaper. Love the constellations and the dark curtains. I love all the lighting. 1971, the year Walt Disney World Resort opened. Almost 50 years ago. Lots of mirrors, lots of outlets, lots of USB ports, and a wonderful view of the quiet pool. Absolutely beautiful. And hot tub, and a very nice sized balcony. Very, very nice sized balcony. Let's go check it out while we're here. Ooh, the doors remind me a lot also of the boardwalk. Wow. Nice size space here. See? And I love this. It makes the room feel so much bigger with the windows on each side of the sliding glass door. Gorgeous. This is going to be a lovely stay. And look at that view, guys. This is room 2082, Disney's Yacht Club. Tennis courts, the beautiful quiet pool, jacuzzi, or hot tub, whatever you want to call it. The big dolphin up there. And some other quiet garden view, woods view rooms. Couldn't ask for a better one. And I love the shade too, because some of them don't have that. It provides nice shade in the balcony.
Lord, we are like the worst.